Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to edit my profile in Alibaba. So how to edit my profile in Alibaba? So the first thing you need to do when editing your profile in Alibaba is open up your Alibaba account. Once you open up your Alibaba account, on the bottom right corner, you will see My Alibaba. Then click on it. After clicking on My Alibaba, you will be located at your My Alibaba account right here. Then after that, click on Edit next to your username. After clicking on Edit, you will be headed to your My Profile. Once you're here, you are allowed to change your name and change your profile, as you can see right here, and also your Gmail. After that, I'm gonna give you an example of changing my name in Alibaba. So right here, as you can see, my name is KDV. So I'm gonna change it to KD30 and add the V with an E. There you go. Then click Save. As you can see, please enter your name in alphabetic. So right now we're gonna change it a little bit. We're not gonna add numbers. We're just gonna add another letter. There you go. Then save. And there you go. And for the profile, once you click this, you will go directly to your gallery. Once you're there in your gallery, you will choose which of any options of the pictures or images that you have in your gallery. So there you go. That's how you edit your profile in Alibaba. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also edit your Gmail in Alibaba. So yeah, there you go guys. I hope you like the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.